Guys, guess what day it is? It's a sad day. The Peugeot is going to the scrapyard. I put loads of bits and pieces, random bits of old cars that I need to put in just to weigh it down a little bit more, to get a little bit more maybe, you never know. So yeah, this is it. Such a waste of a car, but it is what it is. You win some, you lose some. So all hooked up, ready to take it to the scrapyard. So no more Peugeot 308, it's going to heaven now. Oh well, never mind, on to the next one. This is its final resting place now. Look, just gonna go here.
Is this Ripley's?
Yep, go in
I
there.
thought they said 200 on. You said 260.
Yeah, 300 if I take it.